Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use PropWire to find cash buyers. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try PropWire right away. Cash buyers are crucial for real estate investors, especially if you are a wholesaler. These buyers purchase properties without using traditional financing methods like mortgages. They may fix and flip properties for a profit or buy and hold them for long-term rental income. As a wholesaler, your role is to find good deals, get them under contract, and bring them to cash buyers who pay you a fee for finding those deals. To succeed, you need a strong network of cash buyers, and PropWire makes building that network easier than ever. To start, once you're on the homepage, select the market where you want to find cash buyers. For this example, let's look in Nashville, Tennessee. Under the lead types, choose the Cash Buyers option. Then, click Search. PropWire will display a list of properties purchased without traditional financing in the selected market. For instance, in Nashville, you might see over 35,000 cash buyers. These leads represent properties that were bought outright, meaning they never had a mortgage. These are ideal for building your list of cash buyers. Click on one of the results to see more details. You'll find information about the property, including its history and ownership. If you navigate to the Owner tab, you'll see the owner's name, their address, and options to skip trace for additional details like phone numbers and email addresses. Skip tracing costs 10 cents per lead and can help you directly contact potential buyers. For example, you might find a property owner who also owns 8 other properties with a portfolio worth $1 million. This type of buyer is highly valuable to your network. You could reach out to them and ask if they are looking to buy more properties or if they're interested in selling any from their portfolio. Establishing a connection with high-value buyers like this can open new opportunities for deals and partnerships. You can also filter for buyers with smaller portfolios. For instance, someone with 5 properties, all single-family homes, might have specific interests that align with the types of deals you find. Even individuals who own just one property purchased with cash can be worth contacting. While they might not fit the typical cash buyer profile, they could be interested in hard money lending or other investment opportunities. PropWire's platform allows you to download all the cash buyer results for your selected market into a spreadsheet. You can also skip trace the entire list or focus on high-value leads. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor your approach and build a network of cash buyers that fits your business strategy. PropWire offers unlimited free leads for on-market properties, off-market properties, and cash buyers. With these tools, you can grow your real estate investing business and close more deals. Get started for free today by clicking the link in the description to try PropWire.